Do you want to get fit but don't have the time or money for gym equipment or sessions? Resistance bands are an effective way to build strength and endurance without leaving home. They are perfect for beginners as well as more advanced fitness fanatics, offering versatile and challenging workouts to help you reach your fitness goals in record time. They are often overlooked when it comes to exercise, but they offer an incredible range of benefits. These products are incredibly versatile and cost-effective and can target specific muscles and help you build strength in ways that regular weights can't. In this video, we'll review the premier resistance bands of 2023 and give you everything you need to know about using them for your own fitness journey. Number 1. DynaPro Resistance Bands. The DynaPro Power Resistance Bands are a great way to take your workouts to the next level. Each set comes with 3 special edition Vamp Fit bands that offer varying resistance levels from 2 to 170 pounds, allowing you to customize your exercises and target specific muscle groups in the upper and lower body. Not only do these bands provide an extra challenge, but they're also safe and reliable. Each band is reinforced with 100% natural rubber, making them resistant to snapping or tearing. The compact design of these workout bands makes them easy to use in any setting. From the gym to the park, you can take your resistance training wherever you go. Their light yet durable construction ensures long-term use, so you won't need to worry about replacing them anytime soon. With superior quality and peel-resistant design, these power bands are the perfect addition to any home gym or fitness routine. They're ideal for powerlifting, squats, chest presses, bicep curls, and more. Number 2. Fit Simplify Resistance Bands. The Fit Simplify Resistance Loop Exercise Bands are ideal for any fitness enthusiast. With 5 varying levels of resistance, the bands offer versatility and convenience to suit any user, from novice to experienced. The extra light and light bands are perfect for beginners and those with less strength training experience, while the medium, heavy, and extra heavy bands challenge more advanced users. The bands are easy to integrate with popular workout programs and can also be used for general exercise, stretching, strength training, or power weight programs. The included carry bag is perfect for transporting the bands, whether you want to bring them with you to the gym or the park for a fresh air workout. High-quality materials make them gentle on the skin, while an instruction booklet offers guidance on using the bands with dozens of illustrated exercises targeting various muscle groups. Number 3. What-A-Fit Resistance Bands. The What-A-Fit Resistance Bands set is great for those seeking resistance training. With 11 individual pieces and a wide range of resistance levels, this set has something to suit everyone. The bands are made from strong and durable natural latex, which makes them ideal for daily exercise sessions. They come in 5 different colors and resistance levels, ranging from 10 pounds up to 50 pounds, which means you can choose the right level of resistance for your fitness goals and stack the bands together to work out with heavier weights. What-A-Fit Resistance Band is made of natural latex, is kind to the environment. Strong wear resistance and great elasticity, non-slip handle, comfortable and absorbent. It also includes a door anchor, which allows you to attach the bands to most doors, 2 cushioned handles, and a carrying bag for extra convenience. This makes it easy to take the set with you wherever you go, whether to the gym, office or beyond. Number 4. Grid-In Resistance Bands. The Grid-In Resistance Exercise Loop Band set is the perfect choice for anyone looking to up their exercise game. With 5 different resistance levels, this set accommodates any fitness level and exercise routine, with bands suitable for everything from yoga to intense training. The natural latex material makes the bands safe and durable, while their extended length provides a full-body workout. Made of premium quality natural latex material, the resistance bands offer a smooth and bright appearance and provide superior durability, not easy to crack. Non-toxic and skin-friendly to the human body. It also offers convenience and portability with a free carrying bag. This means you can easily take the set anywhere, making it ideal for indoor and outdoor use. Each set includes a comprehensive instruction guide to help you get the most out of your workouts. Number 5. The Fit Life Resistance Bands. The Fit Life Exercise Resistance Bands with handles are ideal for any fitness enthusiast looking to burn fat, build muscle, increase coordination, and boost stamina and flexibility. With a stackable intensity range of 10 pounds to 110 pounds, these bands will work for everyone, from beginners to advanced exercisers. With attachable handles, ankle straps, and door anchors, no one is limited in the exercises they can do. While free weights, barbells, dumbbells, Kettlebells have long been a fixture in gyms, and weight machines are stable and easy to use. Neither has the versatility of the resistance bands. 5 bands can be used alone or stacked in any combination of intensity from 10 pounds to 110 pounds with attachable handles, ankle straps, door anchor. You can choose different training methods for building strength. The bands are ultra lightweight and portable, allowing people to take their workout with them wherever they go. Made with natural latex, the anti-snap bands are non-irritant, odorless, and safe for your health. Further adding to the safety of these bands are the sweat-proof and skid-proof handles, strong fabric, and steel debuckles.